In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently close your Harvest Time Tracker account. If you've decided you no longer need Harvest, I'll walk you through the exact process, explain what to expect along the way, and point out a few things to keep in mind so you can close your account with confidence. First, sign into your Harvest account using your usual login. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you've used Harvest for multiple teams, because the changes you're about to make will apply to the account you're viewing. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click your profile avatar. This small icon opens a menu with options related to your user and account. From that menu, choose Account Settings. This is where Harvest Group's administrative and subscription-related controls, so it's the right place for making permanent changes. Inside Account Settings, navigate to the Billing tab. Billing is where you manage your plan, payment information, and, importantly for today, the option to close your account. It may take a moment to load, depending on your connection, so give it a second if you don't see everything immediately. On the billing page, scroll down until you find the Close Account section. It's usually near the bottom because it's a serious action. Take a moment here to be sure you're ready to proceed. Closing your account permanently deletes all data, including time entries, projects, invoices, clients, and any team information. This action cannot be undone, and once it's gone for good. When you're certain, click Close Account. Harvest will guide you through on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. Read each prompt carefully. You might be asked to acknowledge what will be deleted, or to confirm your intent one more time. Follow those prompts to finalize the closure. After you complete the on-screen confirmation, you may receive an email from Harvest to verify the closure. Open your inbox, look for that message, and if the email requests it, confirm the action there as well. This extra step helps make sure no one closes an account by mistake, so don't skip it if it appears. Once the confirmation is complete, your Harvest Time Tracker account will be permanently closed. If you try to log in afterward, you won't have access to your data or your projects anymore, which is exactly what closing the account is meant to do. And that's how you permanently close your Harvest Time Tracker account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.